Hello, this is the TradeSite U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Wednesday, the 11th of July, 2018. Hope we had a good trading Monday and Tuesday. We've been 100% so far this week on our stock picks, and the future stuff's been all right overall. Friday is Friday the 13th, so I don't know what that means for us, but let's hope nothing bad. Markets ended up doing not a lot today, and we're kind of in that summer period, so we're trying to trade the mornings, not so much the afternoons unless something really presents itself or we see some action. Don't overtrade a dull market because you will typically pay for that. Here's a look at the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market and futures form. Let's go through the major indices and then we'll look at the intraday action and then go from there. Crude oil down 26 cents to 73.85. Still holding very near the highs in summer here. Gold down 60 cents. Not a big deal. S&P cash gains $9.67. That's a new closing high since actually back in January. NASDAQ 100 up $6.60. We're now 11 candles up towards a 13 sell signal, but we could also recycle that. SOX up 14.22, nowhere near highs. Biotech's down 7.15. The VIX loses 5 cents to 1264. The trend 0.73 puts the 10-day moving average at 0.93. 1, 2, let's count backwards. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we're going to lose a 1.0 number tomorrow. So we'd have to get some pretty low numbers the next few days to bring that moving average down under 0.85, which would be a sell signal in the market. But we can get some average numbers for the rest of the week and get some low numbers Monday, Tuesday next week and bring it down. So let's see what happens. NASDAQ volume only 1.7 billion. So you can tell we're in summer here. Monday was a little better than Tuesday, which is kind of shocking. Advanced decline ratio on the NASDAQ was not good, negative 599. More stocks down than up. On the New York, though, it was plus 90 at least. Google, and this is why. Google loses 14 cents. So all the big ones didn't do much today. Apple down 23 cents. It's a blip, obviously. Netflix down $3.34, also a blip. Amazon up $4.05. Tesla gains $3.96. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down a penny. Goldman Sachs loses $1.14 after being up quite a bit, actually, the day before. Here's a look at the intraday action. Look how flat these days are. I mean, this is summer, right? You got to get that action early. We found very lucky that we had AVGO and NXST, one off the report, one off our intraday calls that worked well in the first hour or two. And then look how flat the rest of the day is. Again, just like yesterday afternoon. And if you look at the NASDAQ, it's really not different at all. Basically closed right where it opened. Right on the VWAP app on both of them. The only thing we haven't done yet is gone back and filled the gaps that we had Monday morning from Friday's close. So tomorrow's hump day, Wednesday. We've got PPI an hour before the bell. Wholesale inventory is 30 minutes in. Crude oil inventory is an hour in. Got a Fed member speaking at 12:30. A 10-year bond auction results at 1. Another Fed member speaking at 4:30. We've still got some data left like CPI later on in the week. Charts, as usual, brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken the trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Wednesday.